Every perfect potato chip begins with carefully conditioned seed potatoes. This batch is firm and ready. These fertile fields provide the ideal soil for chip potatoes.
Moisture looks right across this section.
Pressure is holding steady on line 2.
Precision irrigation gives each potato plant consistent moisture throughout growth. Veteran growers monitor soil conditions before the planting season begins.
Depth and temperature are both on target.
Healthy potato plants thrive beneath warm sunlight and steady winds.
The canopy is clean and growing evenly.
Row spacing is right on specification. Careful field mapping keeps every row aligned for efficient harvesting.
Protective windbreaks reduce soil erosion across these expansive growing fields.
The berm held well after last week's storm.
Underground tubers develop smooth skins and dense interiors for slicing.
Good shape, clean skin, solid growth.
Fine soil supports uniform potato shapes prized by chip manufacturers.
This profile is loose enough for uniform sizing.
Each plant hides several mature potatoes beneath its leafy canopy.
7 market-sized tubers on this plant.
Moisture beads reveal the freshness of newly exposed field potatoes.
Fresh, firm, and free of bruising.
Natural starch levels determine how crisp each finished chip becomes. The solids reading is right where we need it. Growers inspect skin color and firmness before approving the harvest.
Color is even, and the skin is set.
Uniform size helps automated slicers produce evenly cooked potato chips. These dimensions will slice evenly on the line. Experienced harvesters guide machinery carefully through each mature potato row.
Hold that depth. The row is lifting clean.
Steel blades lift potatoes gently while separating soil beneath them.
Angle looks good. Keep the speed steady.
Senior workers remove damaged potatoes before collection bins move onward.
Keep the bruised ones out of the clean load.
Freshly harvested potatoes travel smoothly across padded field conveyors today. Lower the drop another inch. Protect the skins. Veteran crews coordinate each pass to protect quality and yield. Trailer 1 is nearly full. Prepare the changeover. Final field sorting prepares premium potatoes for transport to processing. Lot 24 is cleared for pickup. Field crews gather approved potatoes into ventilated collection bins for transport.
Keep the load level across the corners.
Gentle field sorting removes stones, vines, and damaged potatoes immediately.
Reject that split one before it reaches the bin. Cushioned conveyors protect delicate skins during the first collection stage.
That transfer is smooth now.
Each field lot receives identification before leaving the harvest area.
Lot 24 is registered and ready.
Veteran inspectors confirm every load meets strict processing standards today.
This load meets the plant specification.
Hydraulic loaders transfer potatoes carefully into clean transport trailers nearby.
Hold there, the bin is centered.
Controlled drop heights reduce bruising while trailers fill evenly below. Keep that chute close to the surface.
Senior operators monitor trailer weight to prevent damaging compression inside.
Stop loading at target weight. Weight and axle balance are both approved. Protective tarps shield harvested potatoes from sunlight and drying winds.
Leave every ventilation opening clear.
Load is secure, beginning the delivery route.
Loaded trailers begin the controlled journey toward the processing facility.
Suspension systems minimize impacts as trucks travel across uneven roads.
The convoy approaches receiving docks prepared for immediate unloading operations. Lot 24 is cleared for lane 2.
Every arriving potato load is weighed before entering production areas.
Gross weight recorded. Proceed to inspection. Receiving teams verify field records and confirm lot traceability carefully.
All records match the field release.
Experienced inspectors examine potatoes for damage, size, and freshness carefully.
Overall condition is strong and consistent.
Automated samplers collect representative potatoes from each incoming trailer load.
Representative sample secured.
Approved potatoes move toward washing after final receiving checks successfully.
Lot 24 is approved for intake. Powerful water flumes remove loose soil before mechanical washing begins.
Maintain an even feed into washer 1.
Rotating drums scrub potato skins without damaging their firm surfaces.
Spray pressure is stable across every nozzle.
Optical systems identify stones, clods, and unwanted field debris automatically. Foreign material detection is running normally.
Clean water rinses every potato before inspectors evaluate incoming quality.
Final rinse water remains clear.
Veteran graders remove defects that automated equipment may occasionally miss.
Remove that green one from the line.
Sized potatoes enter temporary holding bins for controlled production flow.
Target size is holding consistently.
Operators regulate feed rates to keep downstream machinery continuously balanced.
Hold the feed steady for peeler 1.
Filtered process water protects product quality throughout early preparation stages.
All readings remain inside the approved range.
Sanitized equipment prevents contamination before potatoes enter primary processing machinery.
Sanitation inspection complete. Release the line. Final preparation checks confirm each batch is ready for peeling.
Interior color and firmness are acceptable. Steam pressure loosens potato skins within seconds inside sealed vessels.
Vessel loaded. Begin the programmed pressure cycle. Rapid pressure release separates loosened skins while protecting potato flesh.
Pressure is safe. Begin discharge.
Rotating brushes polish remaining peel fragments from every potato surface.
Reduce pressure slightly. The skins are releasing cleanly.
Recovered potato peels are collected for responsible byproduct processing later.
Recovery volume is within today's target.
Senior trimmers remove eyes and blemishes before high-speed slicing begins.
This one only needs a shallow eye removed.
Lane 3 alignment is stable again.
Aligned feed channels position every potato correctly before entering slicers.
High-speed rotary blades transform whole potatoes into uniform thin slices. Blade speed and feed rate are synchronized.
Technicians verify slice thickness to guarantee consistent frying and texture.
Variation remains within the frying specification.
Cold water removes surface starch from freshly cut potato slices. Increase flow slightly to prevent overlapping. Dewatering belts prepare rinsed slices for the next heated stage.
Moisture level is ready for thermal processing.
Brief blanching stabilizes natural sugars and improves the chip's final color.
Temperature and residence time are both on target.
Warm air removes excess moisture before slices enter hot cooking oil.
Outlet moisture is ready for frying. Operators spread every slice evenly for consistent heat exposure ahead.
Keep the product bed shallow and uniform.
Continuous fryers cook thousands of potato slices every minute here.
Feed rate and fryer speed are synchronized.
Hot oil rapidly evaporates moisture and creates the chip's crisp structure.
Moisture release remains consistent across this zone.
Multiple temperature zones cook slices evenly from center to edge.
Zone 3 is holding the final color perfectly. Veteran technicians monitor oil temperature, flow, and product residence time.
The residence time correction brought moisture back to target.
Rising steam bubbles show moisture escaping from each potato slice.
Bubble activity is declining exactly as expected.
Filtered oil circulates continuously to preserve clean flavor and color.
Clarity and pressure remain inside specification.
Automated skimmers remove crumbs before they darken the cooking oil. The scraper is clearing the mesh evenly now.
Color cameras measure every chip as it leaves the fryer.
Color distribution is centered inside the approved range. Air knives remove surface oil before chips reach seasoning equipment.
Surface oil is ready for seasoning pickup.
Cooling conveyors stabilize texture while preventing freshly fried chips from breaking.
Center zone temperature is settling evenly.
Rotating drums distribute fine salt across every crisp chip surface.
Classic salt application is uniform across the flow.
Metered seasoning systems deliver precise flavor quantities for every production batch. Recipe and application rate both match the schedule.
Experienced operators verify seasoning coverage under bright inspection lighting daily.
Coverage is even with no visible clumping.
Gentle tumbling coats chips evenly without damaging their delicate edges.
Reduce speed slightly to maintain gentle product handling.
Flavor change procedures prevent cross-contact between different seasoning recipes on shared equipment.
Contact surfaces are clean and ready for release.
Quality sensors confirm salt levels remain within strict product specifications.
Salt level is centered inside the approved range. Seasoned chips advance toward final cooling and refinement stages next.
The product is cleared for final conditioning. Final conditioning removes residual heat before chips enter quality inspection.
Outlet temperature is stable across the full belt. Gentle vibration separates overlapping chips and reduces breakage before inspection.
Product depth is even across every lane.
Airflow stabilizes chip texture while preserving crispness and seasoning adhesion. Texture and surface condition are fully stabilized.
Metal detection protects consumers by identifying hidden foreign material immediately.
Sensitivity verification passed at every required level.
Automated reject systems isolate questionable chips before final quality approval.
Rejected pieces are fully separated from approved product.
Inspectors compare color, shape, and texture against strict product standards.
Remove that dark center from the approved stream.
Veteran graders remove dark chips and damaged pieces from production.
That edge is too dark for approval.
Random samples reveal consistency across every minute of continuous production. Timed sample is sealed and recorded.
Crispness tests confirm each chip delivers the expected clean crunch. Acoustic response matches the approved crispness profile.
Seasoning inspections verify balanced flavor coverage across every finished chip.
Average coverage remains balanced across the entire sample.
Breakage analysis helps operators protect fragile chips during continuous handling.
Breakage remains low, but inspect transfer point 4.
Senior specialists confirm package-ready chips contain no visible defects whatsoever.
This product is ready for packaging release.
Production records connect every inspected sample to its exact processing lot.
All test results are linked to the correct lot.
Calibrated cameras identify subtle color variations beyond normal human vision.
The system detected a marginal dark area variation.
Approved chip samples establish the benchmark for every production shift.
Today's product matches the approved shift standard.
Laboratory testing measures moisture that directly influences long-term crispness retention.
Moisture is centered within the approved crispness range.
Oil content analysis verifies frying controls produce balanced, consistent chips daily.
Oil content remains consistent with the frying target.
Salt measurements confirm each flavor recipe stays within specification limits.
Salt concentration matches the approved classic recipe.
Texture instruments quantify the force required to break finished chips.
Break force confirms the expected crisp texture.
Sensory panels evaluate aroma, flavor, texture, and overall product balance. Flavor and crispness are both well balanced.
Approved chips undergo final refinement before entering automated packaging systems.
Quality release is active for the entire lot. Final sifters remove tiny fragments while preserving whole premium chips. Fragment removal is effective without increasing breakage.
Gentle conveyors balance product flow before precision weighing begins downstream.
Redirect 5% of flow toward line 2.
Filtered air protects finished chips during their final uncovered transfer.
The enclosure pressure remains positive and stable.
Quality release confirms every batch is ready for consumer packaging. Lot 24 is fully released for packaging.
Automated weighers divide continuous chip flow into accurate package portions.
Average weight is centered on the target.
Multiple weighing hoppers combine chips to reach exact target weights.
Combination accuracy remains within 1/10 of an ounce.
Film rolls feed packaging machines under carefully controlled tension continuously. Tension and edge position are both stable.
Forming collars shape flat packaging film into continuous vertical tubes.
Tube alignment is centered through the forming collar.
Precise registration sensors align every graphic before bags are sealed.
Graphics are centered and the cut position is correct.
Measured chip portions drop gently into newly formed package bags. Product cleared the seal area on schedule. Nitrogen flushing protects freshness by reducing oxygen inside each package.
Residual oxygen is below the approved maximum.
Heated sealing jaws create strong, airtight seams around every bag.
Seal temperature and pressure remain fully stable. Seal inspectors verify pressure, temperature, and timing throughout production shifts.
Pressure correction restored the seal index immediately.
Leak testing confirms every finished bag maintains its protective atmosphere.
Package integrity passed the complete hold cycle.
8 coders print traceable production information onto every sealed package.
Date, line, and lot information are fully readable.
Vision systems verify labels, codes, and graphics before case packing.
Code verification correctly rejected the unreadable package.
Automatic checkweighers reject packages outside the approved weight tolerance range.
The underweight package was isolated successfully.
Finished bags travel through final inspection before entering packing equipment.
Seals, codes, and package appearance are approved.
Robotic case packers arrange sealed chip bags inside shipping cartons.
Pack pattern and case count are correct.
Automatic carton sealers close every shipping case with consistent pressure.
Top seam is centered and fully secured.
Barcode and lot information match the production record. Printed case labels preserve product identity throughout warehouse and distribution. Case checkweighers confirm every carton contains the correct package count. The low-weight case is isolated for recounting. Robotic palletizers stack sealed cartons into stable shipping patterns efficiently. Layer alignment and case count are both correct. Stretch wrapping secures each pallet before warehouse transfer begins safely. Corners are secure and the pallet remains square.
Automated vehicles move packaged chips through clearly marked warehouse aisles.
Route is clear through the next intersection.
Climate controls protect packaged chips from heat, moisture, and damage.
Temperature and humidity remain inside storage limits.
Inventory systems track every pallet from production through final shipment.
The new pallet is visible and available for allocation.
Veteran warehouse teams inspect pallet stability before long-term storage placement.
Wrap and carton condition are fully acceptable. Careful rotation sends the oldest approved products toward shipping first. This is the correct lot for first expiring rotation.
Routine warehouse audits verify counts, labels, conditions, and locations daily. Physical inventory matches the system record exactly.
Shipping teams match customer orders with the correct pallet inventory.
Order 5482 now has every required pallet.
Forklift operators position completed pallets carefully inside outbound staging lanes.
Straight ahead, then lower at the blue marker.
Load planners distribute pallet weight evenly across each transport trailer.
Place the next load rear right for proper balance.
Dock crews secure every pallet before trucks leave the facility.
Final row is restrained and ready for transit.
Final shipping documents connect every delivery to its production history.
Seal and shipment records are completely matched.
Distribution trucks carry finished chips toward regional retail centers nationwide. Shipment 5482 is cleared for regional delivery. Millions of finished chips reach consumers through this coordinated process.
The new shipment is stocked and ready.